5 of our 30 days to a deal using Facebook lead ads. Okay. Once again, we're using Facebook lead ads with Facebook lead forms. I'm not sending them to the website. Lately, I have found a little more viable leads using the lead ads as opposed to sending them to the to a website. But you know what? Maybe next month we'll do a 30 days to a deal using the using my Carrot website. So we'll do both. So this month we'll do lead ads with lead forms. Next month we're going to do lead ads with a link to the Carrot website. But for right now, let's take a look and see. We have gotten 6 leads, okay, at $17.43 a lead. The most recent lead I got was 4 o'clock this morning. I called the guy. He's got a house in East St. Louis, and the Redfin estimate of the house is $38,000. He wants to leave right now for a mere $100,000. Okay. I don't know if you know East St. Louis, Illinois at all. I don't think if you added up all the houses together on a street, it would come up to $100,000. So we had a little bit of a talk. I told him to call a real estate agent and to review Zillow and take a look and see what's for sale and for sold. And he said, all right, well, I'll drop my price down to 70. I said, okay, well, have a good day. So obviously not terribly motivated. One day someone will offer him $30,000 and he may not take it. Okay, so our click-through rate is still at 4%, which is what we like. We like to see it above 3. Okay, let's come back over here. Our frequency is going up. I like to keep the frequency as close to 1 as possible. All right, the frequency is where the number of times each person sees your ad. So right now we're at like 65% of the people seeing the ad have seen it already. Okay, that being said, I'm still getting leads almost, so far I've gotten a lead every day. All right, we're on day 5. I've got 6 leads and we've got a very good cost per result. So I'm not going to really do anything on that just now. We're going to keep it going for a little bit. Let's take a look, dig a little deeper. Again, the lead last night, they're all coming from this same ad set. Okay, so for that ad set, we are at $16.63. I would turn off these other ad sets. It's set literally, this one's cost 81 cents, 86 cents, $1.47. It's not worth playing with the Facebook algorithm. Okay, Facebook is putting all of the activities, interests and whatnot behind this ad set. We're going to leave it. The recommendation again is increase your budget, which is actually not a bad, Facebook is telling you that things are working. Increase your budget, but we're not going to increase the budget because that's the budget for this campaign, right? That's the budget for this 30-day campaign. $25 a day is a good starting budget if you're starting out using Facebook lead ads, and we're going to stick with that. Okay, we're looking at a 4.08% click-through rate. It's not so bad. All right, cost per click $30. So we're at 30 clicks. We've got almost 2,700 impressions. Not terribly bad. Okay, so I'm gonna let's take a look here. We're gonna do some breakdown. I want to see what we're looking at here. We're gonna look at the ads. And again, remember, it's only one ad, but it's Advantage Creative, so there's multiple pictures, multiple texts. So we're going to go down here to Dynamic Creative, and the first thing I look at is the image. And let's see where our coming from. All right, from this one again, right? So this one we saw the other day, and this one brings in, that one's brought in 3 so far, and then the Bat House and the Uniondale house. Let's see what happened. I'm curious. Let's take a look here. Yesterday's lead came from the Uniondale house. Let's take a look here today. I think it was actually today. So today's lead, because it came in at 4 o'clock this morning, today's lead came in from this picture. This picture has gotten me a decent number of leads on other campaigns. A nice house under construction that someone just kind of walked away from, said, I can't do it anymore, right? That appeals to many of the people that we are looking at. Okay, so I don't see anything here that I really want to change. The frequency of this picture is 1.5 or 1.4, 1.4. Depending, we'll follow the lead flow. If our cost per lead starts to change. So here's our cost per lead right now. We'll follow it up in a minute. If the cost per lead starts to increase, then we will make some changes to the campaign. All right, but for right now, I'm okay with that. So let's take a look here for this campaign. Let's go for the last 7 days. We're at 1849. Now let's take a look for, say, the last couple of days, right? We're at 16. All right, went down. So let's go from here to here. We're at 1663. So let's go from here to here. We're at 11. Actually, it's going down. So we're going to stick with it for now and see where it's going. So as you know, so here's a recap. We got one deal under contract, which I just canceled the contract because the house is in deplorable condition. You could give me the house for free and I would still lose money. We had a listed house. I had the guy today that wants $100,000 for the $30,000 house. And then I think 2 or 3 other people I just haven't gotten in contact with. So I will call them in a bit. And those are potentials. Not bad, not bad, not bad. If you would like your Facebook ads run for you, if you would like some help with your Facebook ads, shoot below. This is what we do. Okay, we get motivated seller leads using Facebook lead ads. I also do Google ads, but right now we're focusing more on Facebook ads because, not for nothing, they're cheaper and they work. All right, until next time, have a great day.